Hi everyone, this is a presentation of the application iQuotes that I developed as part of my experiments with GPT-3 and natural language processing. It is basically a quote generator, so the user can click here and choose a topic. In this case, we can choose books, and then can either receive a quote from an author, from a real world author, or you can receive an original quote generated by GPT-3. We check the second case. And there it is. This is a quote that is generated by picking some random quotes from a dataset that I collected of 60,000 real-world quotes. And from there, GPT-3 generates a new original quote. Now, the user can report it as inappropriate if it contains vulgarity or explicit content, or you can also copy it or generate a new quote. Now, the way I handled in case the input from the user to check whether the user doesn't put bad input is basically by just putting a check on the backend. Is by checking from the backend. So, for example, in this case, this is a bad category, and this is what the application says. And this is it.